Recovering from a stroke is a journey, one that can feel overwhelming, especially for those of us in our golden years. Yet science has never been clearer. Movement is medicine, and the choices we make at home can have a profound impact on our recovery, our independence, and our quality of life. Today, let's explore the best home exercises for stroke recovery after 60, weaving together the latest research and expert advice to empower you or your loved one on this path to renewed strength. Imagine waking up one morning feeling the weight of uncertainty that comes after a stroke. Maybe your right hand isn't as nimble as it once was, or your left leg feels weaker than you remember. Daily tasks, buttoning a shirt, pouring a cup of coffee, or even standing up from a chair suddenly seem like mountains to climb. But here's the good news. Recent studies emphasize that engaging in regular physical activity can make a remarkable difference, even after 60. In fact, exercise isn't just about regaining strength. It's about reclaiming your independence, reducing the risk of another stroke, and restoring confidence in every step you take. Let's begin with the foundation. Why does exercise matter so much after a stroke, especially for seniors? The American Heart Association highlights that regular movement helps restore functional capacity. This means that with each session, your body is relearning and remapping the skills needed for daily living. Exercise also improves circulation, keeps your heart strong, and lowers the chances of future cardiovascular events, a crucial consideration, as those who have experienced one stroke are at increased risk for another. But perhaps most importantly, staying active fosters a sense of hope. Every small victory, every improved movement, is a testament to your resilience. Now you might wonder, what kinds of exercises are truly safe and effective at home for someone overseas? Before starting any regimen, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider or physical therapist. Every recovery journey is unique, and professional guidance ensures you're choosing exercises tailored to your abilities and needs. Once you have the green light, here are the most recommended research-backed movements to integrate into your routine. Seated leg raises are a gentle yet powerful starting point. Sitting upright in a sturdy chair, lift one leg straight out before you, hold for a few seconds, and lower it slowly. Alternate legs, aiming for 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. This exercise targets the quadriceps, the muscles at the front of your thighs, which are essential for standing and walking. Seated leg raises are particularly valuable because they allow you to build lower body strength without putting undue pressure on the joints or risking a fall. For the upper body, arm circles offer a simple way to rebuild strength and mobility. Sit or stand with your arms extended to the sides at shoulder height. Begin making small circles, gradually increasing their size, moving forward for 10 repetitions and then backward for another 10. This movement not only strengthens the shoulders and upper back, but also helps counteract the muscle stiffness that often follows a stroke. Fine motor skills can be some of the most challenging to regain, especially when it comes to hand function. Hand exercises such as finger stretching and gripping play a critical role here. Try this routine. With your hand open, stretch your fingers as wide as possible, hold for a few seconds, and then relax. Next, make a gentle fist, squeezing a soft ball or rolled towel if possible, and release. Repeat each movement 10 times per hand. Over time, these exercises help restore dexterity, making it easier to handle utensils, tie shoelaces, or write a note to a loved one. Balance is another crucial pillar of stroke recovery. According to recent findings, incorporating balance exercises can significantly enhance stability and coordination. Key factors in preventing falls and regaining confidence in movement. One effective, accessible option is seated marching. While sitting tall in a chair, lift one knee toward your chest, lower it, and then lift the other. Continue alternating for 30 to 60 seconds. This gentle movement engages your core and hip muscles, both of which are vital for safe walking. If you feel stable enough, and after consulting your healthcare provider, you can progress to heel-to-toe walking. Stand next to a sturdy support, such as a countertop or the back of a heavy chair. Place one foot directly in front of the other so the heel of your front foot touches the toes of your back foot. Take several slow, deliberate steps forward, focusing on maintaining your balance. This exercise challenges your coordination and helps retrain the body's natural balance mechanisms. Beyond these foundational exercises, there's growing evidence that consistent, moderate-intensity activity brings the greatest benefits. This might include gentle stretches, range of motion activities for the joints, or light resistance training using resistance bands or small hand weights. The key is consistency. Committing to a routine, even if it's just 10 or 15 minutes a day, can lead to significant improvements over time. Let's not forget the importance of safety. After a stroke, the risk of falls is higher, and fatigue can set in quickly. Always exercise in a well-lit, clutter-free space, and keep a sturdy support within reach. Wear supportive shoes and avoid exercises that feel painful or overly strenuous. Listen to your body. Some days will be easier than others, and that's perfectly normal. Recovery isn't just physical, it's emotional as well. Many stroke survivors over 60 face feelings of frustration, grief, or anxiety. Exercise, even in small doses, can help boost mood by releasing endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. Celebrate each step forward. If you manage one more repetition than yesterday, that's progress. If you stand a bit taller, walk a bit steadier, or find daily tasks just a little easier, you're moving in the right direction. Community and support play a vital role too. If you have a loved one recovering from a stroke, encourage them gently and participate in exercises together when possible. Sharing these moments not only provides motivation, but also strengthens the bonds that are so important during recovery. Emerging research also suggests that virtual or remote coaching can be a lifeline for seniors who can't always make it to in-person therapy. Many physical therapists now offer telehealth sessions, guiding you through exercises and providing feedback from the comfort and safety of your home. This is especially valuable for those with mobility challenges or limited access to transportation. Nutrition, hydration, and adequate rest are also essential companions on the road to recovery. Muscles need fuel to rebuild, and the brain requires nourishment to adapt and heal. Aim for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Drink plenty of water and prioritize sleep. Both are critical for physical recovery and mental well-being. As you progress, keep track of your achievements. Consider keeping a journal or checklist of your exercises, noting how you feel before and after each session. This not only helps you stay accountable, but also provides a tangible record of your resilience and growth. It's important to acknowledge that some days will be tougher than others. Stroke recovery rarely follows a straight line. There are ups and downs, moments of triumph, and periods of frustration. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate the small wins and remember that setbacks are a natural part of the healing process. One inspiring story comes from Helen, a 72-year-old grandmother from Ohio. After her stroke, she struggled to lift her left arm and felt unsteady on her feet. With the guidance of her physical therapist, she began a daily routine of seated leg raises, arm circles, and hand exercises. At first, progress was slow, but with each passing week, she noticed small improvements. Her grip strengthened, her balance improved, and she could walk across her living room without assistance. Today, Helen not only enjoys greater independence, but also volunteers at her local community center, inspiring others with her dedication and spirit. Stories like Helen's remind us that age is not a barrier to recovery. In your golden years, you possess a lifetime of resilience and wisdom, qualities that are invaluable on the road to healing. The exercises we've discussed are more than just movements. They're stepping stones to a fuller, more active, and more joyful life. To recap, the best home exercises for stroke recovery after 60 are those that are safe, simple, and tailored to your unique needs. Seated leg raises, arm circles, hand stretches, balance drills like seated marching and heel-to-toe walking. These are the foundations. Always consult your healthcare provider before beginning, and consider working with a physical therapist to develop a program that's right for you. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, stay consistent, and celebrate every bit of progress. Remember, the journey of recovery is not about returning to who you were before, but about becoming the strongest, most capable version of yourself today. Your golden years are filled with opportunity. Embrace each day, move with intention, and know that you are not alone. With determination, the right support, and a commitment to movement, you can reclaim your independence and write the next inspiring chapter of your life. Stay active, stay hopeful, and take pride in every step you take. Your best days are still ahead.